The explosion-proof temperature and humidity sensor is used for the detection of temperature and humidity in the air. When the concentration exceeds the preset alarm value, an audible and visual alarm signal will be issued to remind users to take safety measures in time. It adopts high-quality measuring unit imported from Switzerland with strong anti-interference ability. The explosion-proof temperature and humidity sensor adopts infrared remote control technology, and parameters can be modified without disassembly. Large screen LCD display, explosion-proof casing, can be used in harsh outdoor environment. The measurement data is updated in real time, and the reflection is sensitive. View and export historical data through the free cloud platform provided by our company.